So how are the step codes in Canada affecting the design of condos and affecting the way that balconies are connected to those condos? If these are some of the challenges you're facing or the questions you have, we're going to explore them now. I'm Nick Horton, and on behalf of Sapphire, we're going to explore these topics. So some of the key principles and the reason for the step code in the first place is really about addressing climate change and improving the health and comfort of people living within buildings. As part of this, a national code was created, and off the back of that, each province in Canada is starting to adopt these approaches. We're seeing it in provinces like Quebec already, where the step codes have been increased and adopted ahead of perhaps other places. And ultimately, all this is driving a increased thermal performance. So as it steps down, the performance of the building has to improve. What does that mean for balconies? Well, balconies are obviously a key part of any condo building. And the connection of those is a part where there's a lot of heat being lost currently. With most of Canada, having thermal breaks in balconies is yet to be mandatory. It will come in time, like many areas of Europe which have adopted it already. In essence, heat can bleed through a balcony, and that's really about the surface area of the balcony, and it's about the way the insulation is or isn't done. So what does this mean with the step codes? By reducing the TEDI number, it means that you need to improve the performance of the building. There's multiple ways you can do that, of course. Reducing window sizes is not generally a great option. Things which are unseen but yet make a big difference include balcony anchors, and these are an area which can be focused on quite cost effectively to actually isolate them from the building. How's the most cost effective way of doing that? It depends on your building structure. If you're connecting to a CLT building or precast wall panels, it can be quite effectively done in isolating the balcony and thermally breaking it, because you're already attaching a balcony to the outside. By introducing thermal breaks in balconies, it may mean that you can have bigger window sizing. There's other benefits as well, like reduction of damp and cold bridging, which will create cold spots in the building within the actual building. All of these things are improving the overall experience, but can be done quite cost effectively now in Canada.